Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ZTech. It's me Raj, and today we'll be discussing about the AWS global infrastructures. And for that, we have certain content where we'll discuss about the importance of why does the AWS global infrastructure matters. AWS CloudFront, which is also known as Content Delivery Network (CDN), and how CDN or CloudFront works. AWS Global Accelerator, AWS Outpost, AWS Wavelength, AWS Local Zone, and finally we'll go for the conclusion. Okay, so why AWS Global is important, or why it does that matters the most? Okay, AWS has data center across all over the world to deliver the fast, reliable, and secure to provide such cloud service. Okay, AWS operates one of the largest and most advanced cloud infrastructure in the world. The services reduce latency, improve users' experience, and ensure that the application remains online even during failures. AWS also support hybrid deployment where parts of your application run in the clouds and parts on premises. Global infrastructure is essential for gaming, streaming, e-commerce, healthcare, and mobile applications. Okay, so because of all of these reasons, global infrastructure is matters the most. Okay, so let's talk about the CloudFront Content Delivery Network. Even from the name, we can assume that delivery network means how fast the content should be delivered, or what is the without any latency, delivering the data as fast as possible. AWS CloudFront is a global content delivery network that delivers video, image, API, and a web page with a extremely low latency. Without, we can say that without any latency. Okay. It uses a global network for its location to catch the content close to the users. CloudFront is ideal for streaming service, website, mobile app, and any platforms requiring a fast content delivery. Uh, Especially for the video streaming or the watching a movie online or going live. For such contents, CloudFront is most important. It is also integrated with the WAF, Web Application Firewalls, for the security purpose. Okay, not only that, it is also integrated with S3, EC2, Route 53 as well. Uh, how CloudFront works? The working mechanisms of CloudFront. Okay, here I'll describe how CloudFront works. Uh, okay, when a user requests a video or file, CloudFront routes the request to the nearest edge location. From the cloud, it will route to the nearest edge location. Okay, if I'm in the California, then it will route to the Los Angeles, and if I'm in the Asia somewhere like in the India, then it will route to the Singapore. Okay. If not, CloudFront retrieves it from the origin like S3 or EC2, then gets it from for the future request, or it will take to the uh, it will get origin like S3 and EC2, and it will also store for the future reference also. Whenever those kind of contents comes or request comes, then it will deliver those things. Okay. Uh, this reduces the load on your servers and ensure the faster user experience. If the when cloud users request something, then it will forward to the nearest edge location. If the file is already cached, then CloudFront servers it instantly deliver it to you. If there is no cache for the cache of the files or the request subject that you have requested, then it will search for the other servers, and it will store the cache whatever you have requested in the S3 or EC2 instances. Then in the further in the futures, whenever you request such kind of data or informations, then it will immediately provide you back. Okay, let's move towards the global accelerator. AWS Global Accelerator improves the performance of a global application by routing traffic through the AWS global network instead of the unpredictable public internet. It assigns to traffic static IP, making application more stable and resilient. If a region becomes overloaded or unhealthy, Global Accelerator automatically reroute traffic to the nearest healthy endpoint. If a region becomes overloaded or unhealthy, then it will reroute to the healthy endpoints, and it widely used for the online gaming or the financial purpose, financial app or the e-commerce platforms, something like that, like uh, eBay or something, such kind of things. Okay, and it also provides the support for the automatic failovers. Okay, AWS Outpost. AWS Outposts bring AWS hardware and services into your on-premises data center. Okay, this is a perfect for industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and telecommunication that requires data to be processed locally due to low latency or compliances. Outposts give you the same AWS experience but directly in your building or the data centers. Means that even from the pictures you can see that AWS, this is AWS cloud and extension of AWS services. Here we have on-premises services and outpost records. It is something like using your own things. Okay, now move to the wavelength. AWS Wavelength is designed for 5G application that requires extremely low latency. Okay, uh, it it places AWS infrastructures inside telecom operators networks, and this reduces the latency down to a single digit milliseconds, enabling applications like augmented reality, autonomous vehicles, and real-time IoT controls. Okay, these are the use cases where AWS wavelength are used, and wavelength zones are available through major telecom carrier worldwide. Every telecom carriers use it. Okay, mostly used for the telecom carrier 5G networks. Moving on to the local zone. AWS local zone places compute and storage servers services closer to end users in major cities. They minimize the latency for the application such as video editing, gaming, live streaming, and engineering simulations. Local zones are especially helpful for industries needing city level low latency without deploying their own infrastructures. Okay, so it supports the EC2 instance, EBS, FSX, RDS with a very low latency for the metro or city area. Okay, finally, to conclude, AWS Global Infrastructure enables businesses to deploy applications anywhere with high speed, low latency, and reliability. Each services like CloudFront, Global Accelerator, Outpost, Wavelength, Local Zones solve a specific type of latency or connectivity challenges. Together, they power modern global and real-time applications. Thank you everyone for watching a video. If you have any questions regarding this video, then you can let me know. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe the video. Once again, thank you so much for watching it.